All right, so we just got filled on our trade here for the $200 strategy challenge. Let me show you what we did. So, um, basically, the markets are in a bull trend here on a 2 hour, right? Making higher highs, making higher lows. The probability is now that we go sideways to bullish over the next few days, just based off of trend. So, we let this thing pull back just a little bit here to start the day, gave us a good level, and we went ahead and sold to 76.50. So we win as long as it stays above this level right here. That's all it's got to do. So this thing can go sideways, it can go down, it can go up. We're going to win in any one of those scenarios. As long as it is continuing to hold this level right here, we're good. So I believe we're getting ready for some chop and then move higher. We've got some really good support levels in this zone right here, and we'll find out if it actually does. If this thing wants to keep on dropping, again, that's fine. As long as we are staying up above our levels, we have a cushion. This strategy can be wrong and still win. So I'm looking at this and going, all right, really good chance that we're going to find some bulls through here. Makes a lot of sense. Strong new high coming through, pulling back down. Might get a little bit more selling, and then we'll see if this can S-curve. If we can get any kind of hesitation or S-curve today or tomorrow, we should be able to walk out of here for a strong win. So you can see here in my broker, I got filled at 60 cents. The goal is now to go ahead and spend about 20 cents and get out of this. And so that's the target right now for this trade. So now we just sit back, let it cook, and see what this thing's going to do. I'm going to jump on live in about an hour with the whole community here and walk them through why I did what I did, make sure everyone's getting in okay, hold your hand through the whole process. Go through our points checklist that we do here. It's a scoring system inside the $200 strategy challenge where it helps you follow the plan, make sure that you're executing it correctly, because again, the outcome is out of our control. I can't make these markets go bullish or bearish, but what I can do is control how well I follow the process, how well I follow this strategy, and that's what I'm trying to institute into everyone here. So that's the plan. I'm going to jump on soon with them here, and we'll see how this trade plays out. I'll keep you in the loop. All right, my friends, what a wild week we've had. I wanted to give you an update on our bull put spread. So when the markets pulled back into the support zone, we sold this bull put spread here, as you guys just saw. We then had a really bad day coming through and then a big gap down. So as soon as this candle closed across our weekly expected move, I followed our plan, followed our strategy, and then bought some puts just in case this thing goes to my spread. Again, I'm looking at this going, okay, my spread is paying me money, right? My spread's paying me a little over $1,000 in this instance here. And this hedge just cost me a little over $1,000 there. So even if it goes against me, I can still walk out of here with break even. But if it goes down, I'm fully covered. So I'm taking the big loss off the table. Again, this is a move that doesn't happen very often. It's very rare for it to get outside of its expected move this strongly up by Tuesday, right? So I had to protect myself, and then it gaps up. So I ended up taking a loss here of about $600 or so on the hedge. I think a little bit more than 600. But my spread is now winning, and now I just grabbed some day trading calls. So the goal is to take it back up here into the gap fill. Those calls are actually going to make around 700 if we can get to that zone, and then my spread will win. So after all of this madness, after all of this wild, we're still going to be able to actually walk away with way more money than we would have if the spread would have just won. So managing this trade, working our way through it. Let's see how this thing plays out. I'll let you know as soon as I get out of this trade. Okay, update. Target was hit. We got to that 772 level like we talked about. We exited our trades just in front of it. I like to front run these resistances. So got in here. We actually added a few more contracts through here after it broke this structure, took on off. And so the reason why we want to do that is because we bought hedging puts the previous day and those were down. So my goal was to offset that, and that's exactly what we did. So here were those day trading calls. It was quite a bit. So these were previous trades down through here, so don't worry about that. We got in around 95 cents, and I added again at $1.20 once it was working, and then started to work our way out of these positions, and $2.06 was my final position exit on that one. And then for my credit spread, we were able to exit out of this one nice and filled at 70 cents here. So with my dollar cost average, it was just above $1 and exiting out of that one for 70 cents. So the credit spread actually ended up winning by itself. And then we were able to work out of our hedge that I'm happy I got into for an overall win as well with these day trading calls. So here's the community. You guys were able to take a lot of these day trading calls with it to be able to just wipe out the hedge loss, everything else. And so I posted over here, you can see earlier, about an hour ago, about to win on these day trading calls, offset my hedge and the put loss, and then we'll close out of the spread for whatever profit it is whenever we get to that 772 area. So updating the community as I go, really, really important for me. Again, I don't want to just, I'm not feeding you trades. I want to teach you. I want to have you get an insight into my brain of why I'm doing what I'm doing. And then you guys were able to do that. So really, really cool to be able to have you guys walk through a hard week. The hard weeks are where a lot of money can be made. I love the easy weeks where we're getting into these credit spreads and then getting out. But the hard weeks is where you can really print, because the hard weeks mean the markets are making an abnormally big move and you can capitalize on it. There's a lot of emotions. You can play around it. You can work your way out of these trades. A prime example of that here is with Raj. Shout out to you, my friend. Probably watching this here, is being able to just learn and grow from it, but able to walk away with, our $200 strategy challenge, really, really crushing it. And then just working through, again, the hedge strategies that we do. He's like, it's truly eye-opening, the strategies that we did for hedging and working our way out of a spread. That's why I love credit spreads, is because you can work your way out of all of these positions if you know what to do. And that's the value of being here live. And so my friends, come trade this live with me. Links are down below. Slowly starting to understand how to apply them, controlling your emotions. That, my friends, that's the number one thing, controlling those emotions. And of course, it's easier said than done, but Raj, I'm proud of you, man. Thank you for sharing that with the community. Way to go. Fantastic week. Really great profits. And speaking of profits, this is what I ended up walking away with this week after all was said and done, offset my hedge and was able to make pure profits from my credit spread and stay safe in the meantime. So the cool thing is that, yes, last week I got out for break even, which was no fun. But the markets give you a chance to make it back. And so it's like I am right on track here with a really nice big win, a bigger win than I normally would get with our $200 strategy challenge, which, by the way, if you guys are not familiar with it, we use $5,000 to make $200 a week. That's the goal, right? I don't guarantee anything, but that's our goal. That's what we try to do. And even through all of this war, and that's really what's messing us up, is like the announcements going through, we've been able to walk away with really great profits. Normally, we're extremely consistent with our wins going through, but the last little few months have been up and down and all around, and we're still able to walk away extremely successful with over a 90% win rate. So come join us, my friends. Come trade alongside of us with us. But this was the end result here for this week. Wild times in the market this week. But you know what? It all ended up working out. Controlling your emotions, finding opportunities. There's always an opportunity. I feel like when people are losing money, they freeze. They get stuck, and then they just turn into hope mode. Don't turn into hope mode, my friends. Find that opportunity that's in front of your face, and it will solve the problem that you're stressing out about. Come trade these credit spreads live with me, my friends. 14 days, free trial. No commitment, canceling time. You won't be charged at all until after your trial. Come learn this strategy. You learn everything. You got to trade it with me. I'll hold your hand throughout the entire week, from the good and the bad. Understand why we're doing what we're doing, not just being fed a trade, because I want you to learn this so you can apply this. This is what's helped me out for nearly a decade now, trading this strategy. It's a game changer for me and for thousands of others out there. So come learn it, my friends. Come hold your hand, walk with me, and let's get you consistently profitable. Links are in the description down below, my friends. All done for this week. Time to go enjoy some time with the family here. We're heading up to a cabin and in the mountains, getting away and having all of my wife's family come join us. So it's going to be a fun week. I'm done. I'm exhausted. It all worked out, though. Come join me, my friends, next Monday. Sit in the room live with me. Let's set up the trade together, answer all your questions. I'll see you in the room.